Looking for a home that hits the sweet spot between style, location, and family living? Not to mention, you can move in from day one, not have to lift a finger, and simply enjoy. Welcome to 1899 Folkstone Road, where you can finally have it all. From the moment you walk in, this space just flows. Open concept, natural light, and a layout that actually makes sense. Perfect for everyday life. So picture it, right? After school, kids doing homework here at the bar, you've got dinner on the stove, and you could still be part of the conversation in the living room. You've got brand new windows that bring in all that Florida sunshine, and a brand new roof too. Both come with transferable warranties, so that's one less thing on your list that you have to worry about, because the only surprises you want in your home should come from Amazon. Am I right? And check out this deck, right? It's huge, perfect for entertaining. I mean, just imagine the game day watch parties, right? Snacks out, the grill's fired up, game's on, and the whole crew's together. Now this is the kind of space that makes memories. And location. I mean, you're less than 10 minutes away from pretty much everything. Publix, Bannerman Crossing, Tekesta Park, all the local favorites. Plus, you're zoned for some of the top-rated schools in Leon County. Killearn Lakes Elementary School and Deerlake Middle School, less than 5 minutes away, and Chiles High School, less than 10 minutes away. So mornings are smoother, and family time actually feels like family time. And this home checks all the boxes. I mean, highly rated schools, new upgrades, and a stylish interior that fits your lifestyle. And honestly, homes like this don't last very long because everybody's looking for that just right balance. And this home, it nails it.